Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another upload. As I can see on the screen, today we're going to talk about Mad Dog and the criminal them dig out the man grave and take out everything out of the man grave. So let's check out the little piece of clip here, people, because you don't know YouTube go. We can't too show too much. You see me, and playing the audio and them thing there, you get me? So let's take a look. You see it, the people them go visit them family grave Sunday, and then when they go visit them family grave Sunday, then go see a big old hole in our grave and all these things. Viewers and subscribers, please like the video, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I most appreciate everyone for watching my YouTube channel. So that's how it look when they just finish.
A few moments later.
Viewers and subscribers, please, may I ask you, please, may we have a reason? Please leave it in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. What do you think really I got through the people in the head? We really dig up this man grave. You see me? Take off the money them with the on him chest. Take off whatever value things them sip on him. Because remember I'm an artist, you know, viewers and subscribers. And anytime you go to a funeral or anything, you know you have friends where we give you a gift to go home with. You see me? But we all know you can't go home with it. You go and rat in your castic. You get me? Now tell the man say them have the right to go in and no man castic, brother, and go rob, brother, cause boy life really gone, you know, viewers and subscribers. Now lie to you, because if a man have to go dig up a man grave, if you take off the money where them see him get when him dead, viewers and subscribers, that means say that the man there, that the person there, whoever do it, they and them die in bed. You see me, them are hungry. Them not have no money. And them see when time Mad Dog get buried, how much money throw down from Mad Dog chest. You see me? How much alcohol throw down from Mad Dog chest. How much jewelry is there from Mad Dog. You get me? Mad Dog good have on a bad watch that cost nearly 50,000. Have on a bad chain when nearly cost maybe 80 grand. You get me? You can never tell. So when you keep a funeral, to me, somebody will know say that the thing that in it, and them go dig up the dog from out time rest. You see me? Because I can't understand things, viewers and subscribers. Because 3 months ago, my dog dead, you know. Yeah, man, that the news say 3 months ago him dead. So when you go dig up this a grave, I know, if you take out the money, the US them and the Jamaican money and the rum cream and whatever values him have in there, and you dig it up, you don't smell the dead man, or you don't care about the dead man where you smell, and just the money where you go for. To me, that look like some crooked work, and if you not crooked work, as some man a program a crooked, you get me? And you don't know that a mobby are ready to see him here. You get me? So to me, I really can't say too much. I have to just say what me see. You see me? What me think, what me, you see me? Because we can't understand how can you go dig up a dead man grave, brother, and take money off him chest where you see and know him family them put on him and him friends them put on him. Why I tell the world really? I know where I come to, you know, my friends. But me I beg you, please guide and protect yourself out there, viewers and subscribers. Please watch you know. On a circle, watch you talk to and them knit up them face against you know. Me I ask you, please be careful, because on the life precious. You get me I say? And this is totally sad. You see me? For sister the man dead and them dig up the man grave just to take what you have. Cha-cha. Where this world I come to God. Just leave it in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. If you think what me I say is wrong. And leave it in the comment section. If where them do is wrong to uno. You see me? Okay, you don't know, phone, comments do matter. Please like, share, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and God bless everyone and protect everyone. Me still I say it, you see me? R.I.P. to the artist Mad Dog. My condolence to Mad Dog family and friends. Same way. You see me? Although them dig up the man grave when the man arrests. You see me? Me still I gotta say rest in peace. You see me? When him family them fix back him grave and everything, but I want the youth them to open them eye and look upon this, you know. You see me I say, because this can happen to anyone and we see him way. You get me, your friends, I love you. put things near your casket and other people are pray for come dig up your grave and take it off of your chest when everything over in a couple months. You know, right? It's me, I don't like it, none at all, but I don't know just so. Then the type of people stay who do it, but you know, I leave them to Mad Dog Duppy if you see them and you know what, viewers and subscribers, because we are Jamaican, you see me? I wish Mad Dog Duppy just reach them, Yeah, man. You can go out there, go work for you want, but you can go in our grave and take out what in our grave where you see put down in there from the dead man, friends, them and family. Viewers and subscribers, just leave it in the comment section as I say. Please like and share the video. Subscribe if you have not subscribed, and thank you again for watching. I'm out.